Nothing says comfort food like a warm garlicky breadstick paired with a delicious creamy Tuscan pasta, all plant-based and made from scratch. In today's video, I'll show you how to make this dynamic duo and you won't believe how easy it is to make. We'll start with the breadsticks so they're warm and ready to scoop up that luscious creamy pasta sauce. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for this one. Now let's talk breadsticks. These vegan garlic breadsticks are the perfect side for this pasta or really any meal. They're soft, buttery, and loaded with garlicky goodness. Plus, they're so simple to make, you don't need to be a pro baker to pull these off. Breadsticks have their roots in Italian cuisine known as grissini, which were originally thin and crispy. But today, we're going for that soft, pillowy kind that are perfect for dipping and scooping. We start by activating the yeast. In a bowl, mix warm water, sugar, and active dry yeast. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until it's nice and foamy. That's how you know the yeast is alive and ready to work its magic. Next, combine the yeast mixture with the flour, salt, and olive oil to form a dough. Knead it for about 5 minutes until it's smooth and soft. And don't worry, this dough is super forgiving, so if you're new to bread making, you'll be just fine. Once the dough is ready, we let it rise for about 30 minutes. While it's rising, let's talk about what makes these breadsticks so good, the topping. Melted vegan butter, minced garlic, and Italian herbs come together to create the ultimate flavor boost. After the dough has risen, we divide it into pieces and shape them into breadsticks. Brush them generously with that garlicky herb butter. While the breadsticks are baking, let's move on to our creamy Tuscan pasta. This dish is all about bold, vibrant flavors, sun-dried tomatoes, fresh spinach, and garlic. Sun-dried tomatoes are a staple in Italian cooking, known for their tangy, intense flavor. They are also packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which support your immune system. In a large pot, we're going to add olive oil and saute our garlic and our onions. Then we add sun-dried tomatoes to soften and release their incredible flavor. I'm adding Italian herbs to give it a little more flavor. I'm adding the vegetable broth to the pot and allowing it to come to a simmer for about 2 minutes until it comes to a slight boil before we add in our pasta. This method makes the pasta creamy and flavorful without needing any dairy. Let it simmer uncovered for about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally so it cooks evenly. So make our creamy Tuscan sauce. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, mix with some of that liquid, and then add it right back into the pot. Now we're going to add that nutritional yeast to give it that cheesy flavor. The breadsticks are ready. Look at that golden brown color and the way they glisten from that garlic butter. These are soft, flavorful, and a perfect side for our pasta. Set them aside and let's finish the main dish. For the final touch, we toss in fresh spinach. It wilts down beautifully and adds that fresh, vibrant green to the dish. Season everything with salt and pepper and a pinch of red pepper flakes for that little kick. And that's it. Dinner is served. Creamy Tuscan pasta with warm garlicky breadsticks. Together, it's the perfect cozy meal to enjoy any night of the week. You're gonna love this combination. This is so good. The breadsticks are perfect for scooping up every bit of that sauce. Trust me, you need to try this. If you're loving these one-pot recipes, be sure to check out my first video in this series, one-pot stovetop lasagna. It's another quick, cozy, plant-based meal you'll absolutely adore. Just click the link on the screen. And don't forget, I got several digital cookbooks available on my website, thedivinechef.com. From 30-day meal plans to desserts and smoothies, there's something for everyone. So I'll see you next time on the next video. Bye for now.